Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to dive into the dynamic world of maintenance technicians, exploring the future tools and strategies that are set to revolutionize this critical industry sector. We'll explore everything from productivity and safety tools to cutting-edge technology and software, and the importance of ongoing education. So stay tuned as we delve into these exciting advancements that promise to redefine the roles and responsibilities of tomorrow's technicians. Let's talk about the future of maintenance technician. As we all know, the maintenance department plays a crucial role in supporting business goals and operating strategies. Successful maintenance programs are those that deliver solid returns on investments, boost revenue generation, and comply with industry regulations. This is achieved through proper goal setting, planning, and performance monitoring at various levels. Maintenance technicians are the backbone of these programs. They perform general maintenance on company assets and are responsible for the upkeep of a facility. Their goals: keeping assets reliable, completing assigned work orders accurately and timely, and maintaining a safe environment for all workers. To achieve these goals, organizations provide training, personnel development programs, and tools. Now, we're living in an era where technology is rapidly evolving. Our ability to learn and adapt to the changing environment and technological tools available to us will determine our relevance at work as individuals and in the marketplace as a business. Both technicians and management need to proactively keep an eye on emerging technologies. So, what are some of the tools available for tomorrow's technician? Let's break them down into three categories: productivity and safety, technology and software, and education. Starting with productivity and safety, we have the Klein 32807 MAG 7-in-1 nut driver. This tool takes your conventional 7-piece nut driver set and packs it into one. It uses rare earth magnets and a spring coil for secure holding of nuts and bolts. This helps minimize the amount of tools technicians carry from job to job. Next up, we have the Klein 44216 Electrician's Hybrid Plier Multi-Tool. This all-in-one tool incorporates the 7 most used functions an electrician needs, minimizing tool handling and transportation. The Little Giant Hyper-Light Sumo Stance Ladder is another great tool. It has a leveling outrigger system that more than doubles the ladder's base width. Its highly visible green color, side-to-side bubble level, and front and back angle indicator ensure a safe and stable setup for any job. Lastly, for those working in cold weather conditions, Milwaukee heated gloves and jackets are a game changer. Using either battery technology or USB charging to generate heat, this gear eliminates the need for bulky layers of clothing. Moving on to technology and software, we have computerized maintenance management software, or CMMS. This software maintains a database of information about an organization's maintenance operations, providing a centralized source for maintenance activities, scheduling, tooling inventory, and more. UpKeep, for example, is a mobile-first platform that enables technicians to be more agile and maintenance teams to be more productive. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another key technology. It's a network of devices such as software, environmental monitoring sensors, and vibration sensors that allow these devices to connect and interact with each other. While IoT plays a significant role in predictive maintenance, it is perhaps the most complex of current available technologies. Drones are another tool that can bring tremendous opportunities to improve efficiency and reduce workplace accidents. These unmanned vehicles can be used for the exterior inspection of facilities and rooftops, eliminating the need for workers to climb ladders with all the equipment they need to conduct their work. Finally, let's talk about education and training. A learning management system, or LMS, is a software application intended for the administration, documentation, tracking, reporting, and delivery of educational courses, trade training programs, or learning and development programs. Technicians can access information directly from training companies like TPC Training or industry service providers. Professional certifications are also crucial. They ensure and provide proof of competence of maintenance workers. Some examples of certifications for maintenance workers are the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Technician, or CMRT, the Certificate for Apartment Maintenance Technicians, or CAMT, and the Certified Building Operator, or CBO. These certifications validate a wide array of knowledge and skills required to maintain a residential building and interact with residents, contractors, and vendors. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the future of maintenance technicians. We've covered a lot, from productivity and safety tools to the latest in technology and software and the importance of ongoing education. Remember, as technology continues to evolve, so too will the tools and resources available to maintenance and reliability teams. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates in this field. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance team, visit upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in this field.